ooh, gotta fix that brow. That little brow hair just trying to come out to party. Like, hello. My loves, I'm coming to y'all raw and real today with the vlog style again. I'm loving this vlog style. It's just easy for me to do. I can just hold the camera right in my hands and we can get it on and popping, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, you guys, welcome back. Oh man, I got a lot of work to do, y'all. I got so much stuff to do. I'm over here, I'm working, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, welcome back to my channel, my loves. Today I decided to do a how-to video of how to color, how to blend, or how to color blend, how to blend. I can't even get my words straight. Basically, I'm showing y'all how I blend colors smoothly on paper. And once I do start the video, don't pay attention to the ball on the right. The ball didn't make it. They just didn't make it to the video. The ball just, it just didn't work out. So we gonna save that for like another video, like a how to color skin video or something. But anyways, yes, I don't know how long this video is gonna be. It's probably gonna be kind of short, but anyways, I really hope that this video will be able to help you guys. Thank you all for all of your suggestions on video ideas on my community channel. If you guys don't know about the community channel, please keep your eyes open for it, because it's kind of like the Twitter of YouTube, and I can keep in touch with all of y'all there. I think it's so convenient. It's just perfect, you know what I'm saying? Like, I love it. It's just amazing. And ooh, gotta fix that brow. That little brow hair just trying to come out to party. Like, hello, where did you come from? Can you just get back in your party bus? You know what I'm saying? Why are you there? I'm sorry, that was just getting on my nerves. That brow, like that little hair just always gets out. But anyways, enough of my talking. Let's get started with this video, you guys. I really hope that y'all learned something from it, y'all. I'm still trying to learn coloring, you know what I'm saying? Like, coloring is still like my weak point, and I need to practice with that this year. My whole goal is to color more. But anyways, yes, let's get started with this video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I hope y'all learned something from it. So yeah, let's get started, okay? Alrighty, my love, so let's get started. First, I'm going to be showing you guys the colors that I'm using. I decided to just go with a blue color scheme, so, you know, keep it nice and simple. So first thing I did was I made three circles, just showing you guys the colors that I'm using, and they go from light to dark. So I'll be using 3 different shades of blue, light, medium, and dark. So that's all those letters mean right there. So nothing too serious, you know. So these are the color pencils that I'm using, and they are Faber Castell. Those are my favorite color pencils because I really love how they're oil-based pencils, and they blend very well. Like, they're very smooth, and yeah, I love them a lot. Correct me if I'm wrong when I said oil-based, but yeah, they're really good pencils. Well, first things first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start out with the lightest color, because when I color or when I shade with just pencil, I make sure that I just go really light, you know. Like, I just make sure I just do it very, very light, because, you know, if you go super dark at first, then you won't be able to go back, you know. But if you're light, you know, you can gradually make things darker. So actually, I kind of started off way too, well, not way too dark, but to me this is way too dark, but I started off a little bit too dark. But this is okay, because I want you guys to be able to see it anyways. So you just want to start out like really, really light first, and then you want to just gradually build it up by just going over it. And, you know, like, if you see the little gaps, that's okay. You just go over it again with the pencil. Just take your time, use a light hand, and just go over it, because even if you don't have to use pressure to, like, you know, build layers, because when you just go over it multiple times with that light hand, then it'll gradually build up. Okay, so now that we've got that, as we go down, we're going to start getting a little bit darker, because it is possible to shade with just one color pencil. You can just go from light, medium, and dark with the color pencil, depending on the pressure that you use with your hand. So I'm just going really, really light, and then I'm gradually going darker. And also the way that I hold the pencil right now is helping me to use a very light hand. So, and also it helps me to shade a bigger area of the paper since I'm holding the pencil sideways. And in art school, they sometimes tell you to hold the pencil like this, but whatever makes you comfortable, you know, as long as you use a light hand, then that's fine. We're gonna go on with our medium, and then we're just going to do the same thing that we did with the light blue. Start off light at first, go in the middle a little bit. So we're like crossing over with the light blue and going down like this. Kind of gradiate it towards the light blue. But for this process, we're just gradually building the colors up. Okay, now that we have our medium color down, what we want to do next is go back in. Oops, I hit my color pencil box. What we want to do next is go back with the light blue and go to the intersection of the medium and light. And I like to kind of cross hatch too. I don't know, it just kind of it kind of stitches it together in a way. If you do it diagonal instead of this way, I don't know, for some reason it just helps me to stitch together. And it'll definitely help to make for a smoother transition too. So just keep a light hand and go ahead and cross over the medium with the light blue by using the light blue again. So that's all we're doing here. Y'all, I'm sorry if I'm explaining this weird. I don't even color as much as I should. Like, I'm still learning how to color too. Like, well, not like I don't know how to color at all, but you know, I'm still learning, like, to, you know, get better because I don't color that much. Because this year my goal is to color more, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I want to have a colorful art book. You know, I want to have a sketchbook or a sketchbook tour that I can show you guys that's full of colored pictures, just completed colored pictures, because like I haven't done that in a while, and I actually haven't done that at all. So like I really want that to be my goal, to, you know, get out of my fear of coloring my pictures. Oh, but yeah, anyways, I'm going back in with the medium blue, and I'm just kind of going back and forth with these colors, you know. I'm just going back and forth until I'm satisfied. And then, you know, at the end, you'll start to, you know, see everything kind of fit together and mold together. So yeah, it's not gonna look the way you wanted it at first, but that's the joy in the process of art. So I'm going back and forth with my light and medium. I'm gonna go a little further down so we can get into the dark area. And then I like to kind of cross hatch as well, because that gives you a smoother look too, so because it fills in the white ridges of the paper. Because the reason why you see those little white spaces in your coloring is because of the paper type. If you color with Bristol paper, then it'll be very smooth. Bristol paper is primarily flat, so it doesn't have a lot of like valleys, I guess you would call them, in the paper. It's very small, you can't really see it unless you like use a magnifying glass or something, but it's in the paper, and that's why you see those little white spots. But it's all good though, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, but I'm gonna show you guys how to get rid of that, because you know this is the, like, you know, the cool and, you know, sketchy kind of color pencil style, and I'm gonna show you guys how to get it real smooth and, you know, cover up all those white parts. I've got my light and medium down. I'm gonna go in with the darker blue now, and I'm gonna start a little bit inside of the medium lightly, and then gradually darken it up. Okay, so now we can see that we have our light, our medium, and our dark. So next we're gonna go, since we just did our dark, we're gonna go back in with the medium. Then we're gonna start going on the section where the dark and the medium intersect, and coloring right on top of that with the medium. and blending it in. So now we have this beautiful gradient of blue. And now what I'm going to just do is just, you know, keep going in with these colors using the crosshatch effect. And keep going over, you know, the intersections and stuff and fixing things up. And yeah, I will get back to you guys when I make it all nice and smooth. Basically, just keep, you know, coloring over it gradually, using more pressure. That's what I forgot to mention. Gradually start using more pressure. Use more pressure, and then you'll start to see everything blend in flawlessly. And you'll get that nice blend of color that you want. So I'm just kind of pulling the colors. I'm pulling the colors in to each other, basically. Okay guys, so this is the finished result. It's not perfect, but you know, I try my best, y'all. You know, I'm still learning how to color myself, y'all. But I really hope that this was able to help you guys. I know you guys did request this. So yeah, I hope that you all learned something from this. That's the main thing, that y'all learned at least a little something, you know what I'm saying? If you didn't learn nothing, well, man. But if you learned something, then I'm happy. And yeah, God bless you guys for watching my videos, regardless of me still practicing and still learning myself. You know, that means a lot that y'all still want to learn from me, even though I'm still trying to learn myself. So I really appreciate that. And I thank you all so much for watching my videos. I love you all so much, and I'm so blessed that God has given me a community of supportive people like you to support me on my journey. Like, I'm so appreciative of it. Like, I love you all so much, and I cannot wait to see what all the great things God has in store for the future. So thank you all so much. And yeah, you guys, peace, love, God bless. Keep practicing, keep drawing, and never give up. Patience, practice, and passion is what it takes, and I pray that you all continue to do that, and that great things are coming for all of you all as well. So thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye, you guys. I love you all so much, and God bless.